Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Photos editing backups for YouTube upload workflows, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Photos website. Log in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once logged in, locate the settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on the settings icon to open the Google Photos settings menu. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Backup and Sync. Ensure that Backup and Sync is toggled on. Next, make sure you select the correct Google account if you have multiple accounts. Scroll down and check the folder settings to ensure the appropriate folders for editing are backed up. If you want to manually upload photos or videos, you can also select Upload from the menu. Once your items are selected, click on the Upload button. After the upload is complete, navigate to your YouTube Studio dashboard. In YouTube Studio, click on the Content tab in the left sidebar. Select the video you wish to edit or create a new upload. In the Video Upload section, click on Select Files to access your Google Photos. A file explorer will open. Use this to navigate to your Google Photos backup location. Select the images or videos you want to include in your YouTube video. After selecting your files, click Open to start uploading them to YouTube. Once the upload finishes, proceed with the necessary edits in YouTube Studio. Add your titles, descriptions, and tags as needed. Review your video settings and privacy options before finalizing. When everything is set, click on the Publish button to go live. Your Google Photos editing backups are now authorized for your YouTube upload workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.